Welcome back to the channel, Taquaches. Today is going to be a very exciting video for three specific reasons. One, Craig is back. Two, we have a massive hurricane on the way and apparently it could possibly maybe kill me. So that's two. And three, we actually have a really awesome part for this truck and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change and how sick it is. So let's go look at it. The main mission today is actually to replace my crusty, dusty steering wheel off my Silverado. Everyone always complains about this steering wheel because yes, it has pores and yes, it's ugly and it rubs and it looks hideous. And we're gonna fix that today with something even more beautiful. We are going to be throwing this Azaautowheel steering wheel on the Silverado. If you need a steering wheel for your Silverado, definitely check these guys out. They sponsored this for the truck. It looks beautiful. They even added the red line right here, carbon fiber red. It's going to match the cluster perfectly. It's going to look absolutely sick and it's going to match the exterior when we finally paint the truck red. This thing is absolutely beautiful. So today's video, I'm pretty much going to teach you how to remove the steering wheel on a Silverado. Is actually super easy and I just want to make a tutorial video on showing you exactly how to do it. So let's get started. As for installing the new steering wheel, you simply need three tools. You need a small ratchet, you need a pick, and you need a 21mm socket with an impact. That is it. Step one, before doing any of this, you need to remove the battery. Disconnecting the battery just ensures that this is not going to explode in your face, and honestly, better safe than sorry, just go disconnect the battery. It's gonna take you less than a minute and it's going to protect you in the long run.
There we go, disconnect it, push it to the side, we are good to go.
Before actually touching anything, let this completely discharge, wait 2 to 5 minutes before touching anything. Next mission is to finally remove the airbag. So as you can see, you will notice a couple grooves on the actual steering wheel. This is the airbag, this is a steering wheel. You remove them both differently in different ways. So let me show you how to remove the airbag first. You're gonna have to look for these small little holes on the side of your steering wheel and you're gonna use a flat pick like this one. You're gonna shove it in there as far as it goes. And once you shove it in there, you're gonna notice that it actually kind of pulled the bag forward. Now you need to do it on the other side where there's another hole to kind of release the other side. And once you kind of pick the holes, this steering bag should come apart. Now let's release the bag. You have two little clips right here. You simply put them together. There's one. And just like that, this is completely out. Honestly, the best part about this is the fact that you can't even confuse the plugs because this one's specifically pink and the other one is white, so it goes with actual cables here, so you can't mess anything up. Pink and white, that's it. Last thing we remove is the horn wiring, which is this one right here. As for this one, all you have to do is shove it back in, twist it out, and it should come off. There we go, like so. Look at that. Now we're at the easy part. Before removing the steering wheel, we have to remove this nut, but make sure your wheels are completely straight because you can change the alignment or change the alignment of the wheel. So make sure it's super straight, make sure your wheels are straight. Now we can remove it. As for me, my wheels are super straight, so we can remove it. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, that's super loose. That was not even tight. Look at that. Next, we actually need to remove the whole mechanism for the horn. And we're just gonna remove it and then place it on the new steering wheel. I did loosen these by hand because I don't need them stripping. There we go, there's one. Dude, yes, that looks so sick. Check that out, carbon fiber, the red, the cluster, amazing. Airbag's about to go on, everything's connected. We just gotta push it in place. There we go. Oh, dude, that looks so sick. Oh man. Dude, holy transformation. You cannot tell me this does not look beautiful. Dude, yes. There you have it, boys. We have the new steering wheel, the new setup. This looks absolutely beautiful. Well, Taquaches, that is it for this video. Hopefully that'll help anyone that wants to replace their steering wheel. It's super easy. It took me less than 10 minutes. Looks absolutely beautiful. I'm also gonna tag the company Azaautowheels down below. If you want a steering wheel, go check them out. They make some of the best steering wheels for these trucks. It came out amazing, and dude, I'm so stoked.